Hi, welcome to Reading Rewards. My name is Michelle, and I'm going to take you through some of the parent and teacher features of our website, so you can hopefully see how it can help encourage your kids and students to read. Once you've signed up and logged in with your free administrator account, you will be taken to your main dashboard, where you can see at a glance some of the main functions you might want to perform. Manage rewards, manage groups, manage accounts, and manage book lists. The same functions and more are available up here on our main menu. Let's start with groups. As a parent, teacher, librarian, or any other administrator, your first task will be to set up a group for your readers. You will have access to reading logs and more for any readers in the groups that you set up. Your groups page shows you any groups that you administer. It shows you the start and end dates, any description you've provided, the total number of reading minutes that have been logged between the group's start and end dates, as well as the total number of readers in the group. You can create a new group by clicking on the Create Group button. Clicking on the group name takes you to the Details page of your group. Let's quickly go through this page. This tab simply allows you to manage some of your basic group settings. The Members tab shows you a list of all the readers in your group. It shows you what they are currently reading, the total number of books they have finished within your group dates, the total number of validated reading minutes, minutes today, pages today, their reading level. Kids move up reading levels the more they read and get a real kick out of these silly images, and a button that takes you to that reader's virtual library. It will also allow you to see the reader's book reviews, reading log, and wish list. The Target tab lets you see how your group is doing against any overall reading minute target that you have set. The Reading Log tab gives you access to detailed reading log entries for your group members. You can select your reader and any date range you are interested in. You can also print the reading log if you wish. As group administrator, you also have the ability to decide whether or not you wish to use a class blog where you and your readers can book talk. This is managed on the Settings tab. Why not ask a weekly question and get your students to answer here on the blog? The Favorites tab just shows you a random list of any books that your readers have really enjoyed based on their reviews and ratings. The Reviews tab shows you a list of all book reviews added by your students between your group's start and end dates. Charts gives you a nice visual of your top readers overall, of the week, and of the day. The RR week runs Monday through Sunday. As group administrator, you can also validate your students' reading entries if you choose to. This is done via the Validate Reading tab. The Recommended Book List tab shows you and your readers any lists that you have set up for them. This is managed under the Book List option here. You can also print off a nice group summary report that gives you a lot of information on minutes, pages, books read by your students within any given period. Let's move on to accounts. This is a list of all the students in your groups. You can filter by group or by reader name if your list is long. In order to get students to join your group, you have two options. You can choose to either manually create accounts for your students yourself or have them sign up on their own from home. Either way, we've prepared handy parent introduction letters that will help guide you and your readers. Let's move on to rewards. Rewards are a great way to motivate your readers. When kids log reading time, they earn RR miles, one for every minute of validated reading. You can set up rewards that kids can then purchase with their RR miles. You can also choose to reward by books read if that works better for you. Once you've set up a reward, you can choose if the reward should be available to all readers in a particular group or specific readers. It's up to you. Kids love seeing these rewards in their very own RR store, and rewards don't have to cost a thing to be great. How about a no homework pass or lunch with teacher? If you have a required or recommended book list, why not share it with your groups and the RR community? Click on Manage Book Lists to see a list of any groups that you have set up or to set up new ones. You can choose to share the list with your group and/or the entire RR community. Simply add books to it using our Amazon interface and add any comments or tags. The list can then be printed off. If you choose to share it with your groups, it will appear on your group page. As group administrator, you're also welcome to log your own reading and share it with your readers. You will find those functions under the Reading tab, but you might be interested in viewing our video made specifically for readers if you want more information. And that's it, our quick RR overview for group administrators. We hope you find this can be a valuable addition to your educational tools and hope to see you on Reading Rewards very soon.